SUNHYDROGEN Inc. HYSR stock closed the session of the 30th of July 2021 at $0.0585, an extension of 12.93%. 14.9 million shares crossed the tape during that session, and we have a position in SUNHYDROGEN. And what do we have here? 3.774 billion shares outstanding. $220.8 million is the market cap, and amongst the many pieces that is written concerning SUNHYDROGEN, investor place tags it as one of the most innovative companies you find among ultra speculative stocks. But down here they have it that it got off to an auspicious start this year 2021, but shares have quickly tumbled. Its year-to-date performance is a staggering loss of 48%. Nevertheless, SUNHYDROGEN has cooled off its volatility, which may invite speculators to invest again. So yes, what is interesting is that the stock has since when was that? I would say since the sometime early in March this year, it has continued to retrace, and currently it has now retraced below all of its moving averages. So in the medium term, it is in a bearish trend, but also that bearishness is within a longer term uptrend. So that's what we're looking at right now, because this 200-day moving average, which is the longer term moving average, and also which to some extent points to its longer term trend, it's still very much bullish, but all the other moving averages are very much bearish. So technically the stock is looking appealing. It's looking appealing. There isn't really any news concerning this extension, but I think what it is that for some time it has been trading below all of its moving averages, clearly below all of them. Yeah, for some time, as a matter of fact. So this for some time, as far back as, what am I even saying? As far back as sometime in June, it's started to do that. If not even way before that time. Sometime in June as well. All of that. That was when I guess some market participants began to notice. You can see that we can see some resistances it's been having. It had that resistance there as at the 16th, had another one there at the 25th of June, and all of that was at $0.08. The previous one was at $0.09, and we have another one again. All of these attempts were to take advantage that the fact is now trading at a discount to all of its moving averages. So this other one, this third resistance, was also still at $0.08 on the 7th of July. We have another one, the fourth one, $0.07 as at the 21st of July, and then we are seeing another extension, another bid to extend, and it closed at approximately $0.06. So will it continue to extend this time around? There's no guarantee. We already have 4 attempts for it to break out, and never succeeded. And after that, we had retracements. So is that what we're going to see? Would this stock retrace further? There's absolutely every chance it will do so. But and the fact that it extended by 12% does not mean that it will continue to extend again. There's every chance that whoever participated in that may want to take their money out. Whoever gained that 12.93% may want to take their money out. The saving grace there is that it is not. It's just an average volume, 14.9 million shares. So the average volume for the stock is currently, for the last 10 days, the average is 15.032 million shares. So moving down, we can see that some of the oscillators are not so bright. It's not visually looking wonderful. Not so wonderful. MACD below the signal line. 14 period slow stochastic oscillator for the daily model is underwater. It's oversold. The stock is oversold. even with this 12% extension, it's definitely still oversold. RSI is definitely very poor, implying that the signal, the stock is still very much bearish, just a validation of that. So the analysis is that it appears to be in a bearish medium-term trend within a longer-term uptrend, evidently. Although the 200-day moving average is rising, the MACD is bearish. It's also easily underperforming the S&P 500. Momentum is for HYSR is strongly bearish. Yes. Okay, let's look at the momentum here. It's strongly bearish. Yes, that's the momentum here. And then the 14 period slow stochastic oscillator, that's the one here. It's just trying to look up, but it's still very much bearish. The 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This implies that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. So the unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of that indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. For now, there is a lack of buying interest, but things may continue to improve. This opportunity is there, and if market participants don't take advantage of the fact that its signals are just trying to improve. The RSI is now slightly above 30. If they don't take advantage of the slightly improving signals and the fact that it is still trading at a discount to all of its moving averages, then it may still go ahead and also probably consolidate or retrace further, and in enriching further the opportunity to get involved. So the company is not making money. They're still in development stage. They're still developing their concept. So, but easily I would say it is a buy. We have a position there. If we as time goes on, we may continue to improve our position there as well. Okay, so see what you make of you can make out of SUNHYDROGEN. It is still a penny stock. You can always put in a small amount of money there, and nothing can really go wrong. So just give it a try. Easily, even if the stock has extended by 100% and still a penny stock, I would still recommend it. So by all means, get involved. Not a lot of money, depending on you. Decide how much you're gonna put in there. But what is enticing about the stock is just the fact that it's a penny stock, and easily we don't have the short interest figures, but the short interest would definitely be significant. This is a stock short sellers are definitely involved in. So by all means, get involved and see what you're going to make out of SUNHYDROGEN. So, okay, thank you very much for watching this video.